Welcome to my channel once again. My name is Church Girl. If you are new to this channel, welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe right below. We are still on our journey of taking charge of our own health, and today what I'm sharing with you is about gonorrhea. Okay, if you have gonorrhea, it is important for you to go see your doctor. Please don't self-diagnose yourself. Okay, even if you have discharge, the symptoms are clear pointing to gonorrhea, you still need to go see your physician because some diseases look similar. Okay, so if you go see your physician, they usually prescribe azithromycin, which is a generic form of Zithromas. What most physicians don't tell patients is, in very small cases, some people who are treated with antibiotics, the gonorrhea does come back. Okay, and it does creep on you unaware, and mostly it causes infertility in both men and women. So even if you have received medication for the gonorrhea, you still need to do some of these home remedies to eradicate it completely. You don't want it to come back when you are unaware. Okay, so the first remedy that I'm sharing with you, this is maize. Please, you need to get maize. See, there's difference between maize and corn. It look the same, but maize is a little bit flatter. The reason we are using maize is because most corn are genetically modified. So maize is very good in this recipe. Those of you who have watched my video on syphilis, you're gonna see maize. Maize is very good when it comes to treating STDs and STIs. Sexually transmitted disease and sexually transmitted infections. So what you do is, when you get this maize, you're gonna crush it. You are going to crush it a little bit. Okay, don't crush it into powder. You will crush it a little bit, just as I have done so. See, as you can see, you need 2 cups of this. Okay, the measurement I'm giving to you, because we are going to be using 1. If you have 2 cups of this, okay, you crush it gently and you put it in a jar. Okay, please make sure that you have a glass jar. Don't put it in plastics. The reason why I say that, because this medicine is very strong enough to pull some of the toxins from plastic if you do put it in plastic. So please get a glass jar. Okay, you can invest in a glass bottle with cover on it, tight lid. So when you put it here, you will need palm wine. So this is palm wine. When you pour the palm wine on it, you have to make sure that it covers it. It covers the maize completely. Okay, and you set it aside for 24 hours. After 24 hours, you take half glass in the morning, half glass in the afternoon, and half glass in the evening. If you don't have, especially those of us who live in North America, some people may not know where to get some of the palm wine. If you are looking for palm wine, please go to Google. You Google it and you type palm wine for sale. You're gonna find a seller who sells palm wine. So if you are looking for palm wine, but if you don't have palm wine, you can also use water. You get water and you cover it. You just cover it just slightly above what you have crushed, the 2 cups of maize that you have crushed. Okay, and you set it aside for 24 hours. But the thing is, if you are using water, please remember, when you are taking it, you're gonna add a little bit of salt to it. Stir very well, okay, and drink it. Make sure you strain the maize. Please don't drink the hard maize. You're gonna strain it first before drinking it. So just remember, if you have the palm wine, you just do it without adding salt to it. But if you don't have palm wine, you will add a little salt after it has fermented for 24 hours. Then you add a little salt when you're about to drink it. So anytime, don't add the salt in the whole batch, just a little bit at a time. Okay. If you have syphilis and you find yourself here, please, you cannot substitute the palm wine, because syphilis is very notorious when it comes to it's very hard to treat, and you need something which is very strong. Okay, so we use, for gonorrhea, you can use water. to do it with a salt, and it will work perfectly for you. But for syphilis, if you are here, if you need more videos, go to my video and go watch the one for syphilis, please. But don't substitute the palm one. The second one that I have here, this is kola nuts. Okay, this is kola nuts. You will need about 6-7 kola nuts about this size. Okay, I have 7 here. So you are going to cut it into pieces, just as I have done so far. 1 bulb of garlic, you will need this whole garlic. Okay, nothing less than that. So what you do is you peel it, cut it into pieces, set it aside, cut the kola nuts into pieces, wash it first, please, okay, and cut and set it aside. And you will also need ginger. You cut the ginger into pieces. So this is about how much ginger you need. Okay, then you cut it into pieces and set it aside also. You are gonna be soaking it in lemon juice. You need 2 cups of lemon juice, please. So this is your 2 cups of lemon juice. So what you do is, after cutting all this, the garlic, the kola nuts, ginger, and then you squeeze your lemon juice, 2 cups. Please do not dilute it with water. You need 2 cups of lemon juice, nothing else. So you are going to soak all these ingredients inside the lemon juice, cover it, and leave it for 24 hours before taking it. When you are taking it, you need 2 tablespoons in the morning and 2 tablespoons at night, okay, for 30 days. I have the third one that I have here. It's almost similar to this, but there are a little bit different ingredients here. This is bitter kola, or bitter gourd. Some people call it, this is bitter gourd or bitter melon. Now some people will call it, this is the Indian bitter gourd. Okay, we have the Korean one, but I prefer the Indian one because it's more nutritious. If you live in Nigeria or somewhere in Africa, we have bara, or a bitter melon, or it's a desert melon. That one it looks like a little bit like watermelon. I don't have it here because it's hard to get it. You can buy it in powdered form, but I prefer doing it fresh. Okay, so if you live in those areas, search for bitter melon. Okay, it's round and it looks like watermelon with green and yellow color tint to it. And you will need 1 whole bulb of garlic. Okay, you need this. This ginger is a little bit too big, but it doesn't hurt if you use all this. Okay, ginger. Also, you are going to need 2 cups of lemon juice. Please don't add water to the lemon juice. What you will do is you're going to blend all this. You're going to blend the bitter gourd, garlic, and ginger, using some of the lemon juice to blend it. After blending it, add the whole lemon juice to it, okay, and set it aside for 24 hours before taking it. When you are taking it, you take 1 shot. This is more than 1 shot, please. 1 shot is about 2 to 3 spoons of it. 1 shot glass that people usually use it for rum and stuff like that. So 1 shot glass in the morning and in the evening. Okay, so I'm repeat this in my language, those of you who speak Tree, so that you better understand it. Please remember that when you are doing all these recipes, you have to do it for 30 days. If you want to get rid of everything, you don't want it to go and come back. So please do it for 30 days. Okay, 30 days will get everything out of your system. So those of you who speak Tree, I'm going to switch to Tree. Okay. So I was here for the American says so be wo babaso. Yeah, my munaya near friend babaso na. Ohia ebro. Yanga say bi mama ye bro yi no. Eno ane so obebo boso kakra. Obenya cap no mienu. As a crew na ye bisusu ade ne be say onya mienu na so boboso a na wahwe egu ade mu. Na wo de ensemfo egusu. Ensemfo no mane nkata so nyina nakata ade na wodi te say ade say na wodi eguma wodi ni nyina eguma na wodi ade akata so for obakata so for 24 hours. If I 24 hours in eduenu enai eye aduonu nan enhwere no hwere aduonu nan ana twimbato twi na ya mo fancha me kakra wo no no hwere aduonu nan eno na wo be kata so de asi ho no endu kata so de si ho no a na wanom no cap do efa one cap say no wanom fa anopa no wanom fa enwumre why se wonso ni ensemfo no mebia meka bia na wo krofufo so woni ensemfo no nso a wobetimi di ensuo wobobọ abro no so wobetimi di ensuo na eguso akata so na edi 24 hours nso anana meka no ba ne no so no wo benom na se wasa wo cap no fa na se wo di nchini kakra tum na wununum ansa na wano ba cho ma ye video bi ewo enkekai ho eye syphilis no ma ye video bi wo nto obi wa ha se na se eye syphilis nti na wo de ba ha se ya ba cho wo ya eno no wuntimi nfinyisunsuo no wo se wo fa ensefufo na wo de be ye ba wo hia information be more so a se wo kọ na wo share syphilis de na me ye so nti no we no benum na no pa nya nwumre for 30 days ba cho 30 days eduasia but 30 ni mo fa ncha menti no say go akasa obusafo mu 30 na me fa chere no ni etaso biemu no we ye garlic ni nim ni treat garlic an ye frɛ no ntu be hia garlic kase no baako wo betwetwetwa ne nkete se de maye wa ha sei no na wo de egu nchen na wafa bese wacho bese na ya afa de ye nwono no bese ne obi wo mo emu ode enye no na meka no de emu onwo no ne anwo te se de alatafo no pe no wutwitwa ubenya bese no ensia konso na wutwitwa ne nkete se de metwitwa wa ha sei no wo befa akakadro nso na wutwitwa ne nkete se de maye no wa ha sei akakadro na obehia no te se ya na wanya eye nkadwoa unya nkadwoa no de eye enkurenkuru anketoa na eye te se ahaba mono kala na no so utimi ubetimi afa no ba wanya bi nso a we ni so no ubetimi anya na de ese wunya ne se we nu wuchim nsuo no na wunya cap mienu it is we nu etre cap mienu a wodi begusu nti we nu de watwitwa ni nyina no na wapa de kese na wodi ni nyina gum de watwitwa ni nyina gum na wahwie enkadwo na se ekutuo no ekutu kanka no ensuo no de egu so ipacho enfenso mfra enkadwo no na fa gusu na kata so na me nsi hono 24 hours wo benoma unum we se no anopa unum mienu atri we mienu kase ni mienu a enwemre no wa no atre ni nsu mienu ipacho de me cheni na na ese wo ye no for 30 days ye ni na na ese wo ye no for 30 days se ne be ye mmoa bi e wo body no bia no wo wi de num nyina no ebekọ ipacho de ataso miensa no we ni pacho se wo Ghana ebia na we anya bi we ye India for de ye friend bitter melon na Ghana na se wo alatamam Africa bebia na se wo ye wo de egusi ana se egushi ya ye di ye wo ne ba ko bi wo hono ma emu ya nyopa pacho de mika na ebebre enim se wo koma no a alatafo no friend bara ukwa eno no ye krukru ati se watermelon no nanso no ensinsan kakra wo mu a eye se akokosrade kakra ebiabia green mu ebiabia mu kakra enu no twa mu na sa wo de ka wa no a enu anyo pa wunya no bidi a enu no ye kameka se enu kra wunya no a anka mihia enu mo esin we se no ba enu na no ni na ho de no we na ho de nyina no edinse etina menya we no ha se a we no etu benya no na wanya garlic nso kase ba akuse uwie nso a na wanya wakakadro ti wakakadro no de enso ube twitwa ne ketenkete na wafa ekutuo ekutu nkadwoa no wachim no eno nso ubechim no cap no mienu wuchimu a na wo de ayam we ni nyina bitter gourd no anase egusi na meka se egusi le mu onyo ni pacho ubi se ma no moto ade na bebi a wo be mbetimi anya bia ma wo Ghana na wo de ayam ni nyina wo yam ni nyina jai yi na wayam ni nyina me wo mu na kata so fa gu glass ade mu pacho en fa gu rubber ade mu na kata so nyina na ndi 24 hours aduonu nan no nhwe aduonu nan no 24 no 24 hours na chese uye na nopa dise ochina anopa ana hobetimi astarte se wo no nti eno so wo no a wo fa tot glass no ne ye de num apetition nketenketwa no wonum baako anopa no anum baako enwumre nti eno so be ye ne sa for 30 days ba cho se when ya bi nso a eye se wo ma wo hu kani hu eye ama infect fi se wo de tita wankasa na wo ha hu wo kona doctor mo waduro na wo no ma wo hu kani be san de ama na wasenti da bia yare baako no na chese ekọ na eba ntimi pacho eyesa wo be ya hweye se wo yare we bia wo be ya ahweye. So once again, my name is Church Girl. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Please leave your comment right below. I love to read your comments. If you have any question, if you want to know where you can get some of these ingredients, please let me know. Let me know in the comment section, please. So have a great day. Bye bye.